Meaning of general practice.
General practice.
General practice.
General practice.
General practice. General practice refers to the branch of medicine that provides primary care for patients across a broad range of medical issues. General practitioners, also known as family doctors or GPs, are responsible for diagnosing and treating medical conditions, as well as providing preventive care and health education. They may refer patients to specialists for further treatment or consultation as needed. General practice is an essential component of healthcare systems, as it serves as the front line of medical care and helps ensure that patients receive the appropriate care for their health needs.